Okay, hi everyone. Welcome back to part 2, Cooking with Jerry. We shaped the dough, and Jerry put the olive oil on the dough, and now he's putting the sauce on the dough. And then he's going to go ahead and put the cheeses on the dough for you. First he's going to start with the mozzarella. And we have a half bag, so we're going to use that. I just used a full bag to show you what kind of cheese we're using. You'll spread that across the pizza. Good job. As much cheese as you like. You like it nice and cheesy, right? I know I do. I like cheese. So he's going to cover that with cheese. And then he's going to use some queso cheese, which we like as well, because it actually is a firmer cheese. It doesn't run as much as mozzarella cheese does. And you'll see when the finished product comes out how well that cheese holds on that pizza. And it's very tasty as well. So pretty much when I'm making pizza, I've used quesadilla cheese for a long time, and it's a really good thing to use on a pizza. So we use a combination of mozzarella and quesadilla cheese, which Jerry likes very much, with fresh dough. So as soon as he finishes up, we're going to throw this in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then yeah, that quickly it will be done. And then Jerry will do the final taste test for you. And I'll also take a third video will be the pizza cooking in the oven before it's done. So I'm going to let him finish that up, and then we will be hitting the oven, and the next video, part 3, will be the pizza in the oven. Thanks for watching, and we'll be right back. Part 2.